Hello, in this video I will present a small PC SDK app which a colleague of mine and I created as an example for what can be done with PC SDK, and I will also show you the source code which will also be published. You can then use it as a reference for your own projects. So this is the app, and what it does is it first it scans the network for available robot controllers. It then connects to them, and then it looks for the available tasks on the controller, which you can see here. You see that I have a Robot Studio instance in the background, and the controller, a VC, a virtual controller, is up and running. With this app, then I can start and stop the task on the left. So if I press start, you see that it's spinning, and I press stop, and the task stops. The third thing that this app can do is that it can subscribe to a persistent rapid variable, such as these four. So if we subscribe to it, you can see that it has the value 48. And the one thing to note about this is that you can't change a variable here, press apply, and expect the subscription to take it into account. Now, obviously, it worked for some reason, but yeah, you see that it didn't change here. So what you need to do is you need to go into the flex pendant and then go here and change it in the controller, because it doesn't really change the value in the controller if you press apply. So if we continue and change it to whatever number, you can see that it changes instantly. Okay, so that's the small app, and here is the source code. So basically, there are three files that are important here to look at. It's main window, .xaml.cs, app controller data, and the main window XAML. That's the GUI, the looks of the window. And so yeah, I'm not gonna go into all of the details in what all of the lines do here, but you can see here we have a bunch of event callback methods. We have events for button start, button stop, the subscription to the rapid value is here, and the button here, you can open them up. I will make the code available via a Git repo. I think I will post a link to it in the video description or in the forum post, or both actually, yeah. Yeah, have a look at the code. Something that's worth mentioning is that if you want to change the text of the field, the edit boxes, for example, you do it in the text field here. Right now, it has a binding to the variable, which is used to, well, yeah, which is changed with the event. Right, so please have a look at this code and use it as a reference for your projects. Have a nice day.